Hi techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you data migration between S3 packets using AWS CLI. So in order to complete this task, we need to follow the 5 steps. First step that we need to create a new private packet. Second steps, we need to provide the public access for the particular S3 packet. And third steps, we need to follow the migration steps, old S3 packet to new packet, and we need to compare the existing packet to new packets in order to verify. So let's head over to lab session. So I need to create a new packet now. Now open my terminal and run it. Create a new packet. So the packet has been created. The location utilize sync and 15740. Then we need to provide the public access. By default, it will be provide. So we need to provide the public access for the AWS S3 packet. So that is the command. So if you want to do these commands, everything, so you just search it in Google. You can get it from the official website, and copy this command. Run it again. So we provide the public access for this particular S3 packet, and we need to sync up. So this is our migration between data with sync. So this is a command, AWS S3 sync command. So it's the module that we need to follow this data to migrate to new S3 packet. So this is the command we need to copy and run it. So it's make it some time to copy. All right. So now we have a copy for our buckets successfully. Then run the checks command, compare for a new bucket to old bucket. So for that, you need to run AWS ls command here also with a new bucket and old bucket. So just copy this and run it, so we can able to compare. All right. So now you can see the total objects and the total size, both buckets. So now we are successfully migrated to old bucket to new bucket in S3 using AWS CLI. So this is what we need to do it. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.